Hi there, I'm Eric, here with Serge, Master Technician at Hyundai. Today we're going to talk about how important it is to maintain your brakes on a consistent schedule.
That's right. A regular checkup will ensure your brake system is working safely.
And let's face it, regular maintenance helps prevent the sticker shock of a premature brake replacement. What else contributes to premature brake wear and tear?
Rust on the brake disc, pads, and also calipers can restrict movement, and driving habits like hard frequent braking can also cause premature wear.
Now let's chat about what happens during a Hyundai brake service.
Your certified technician will inspect your brake linings, your drums, hydraulic system, and then your brake system will be cleaned and lubricated.
Well, this is key to keeping your brakes healthy.
That's right, as they're regularly exposed to the elements, things like snow, salt, sand, you name it.
Okay, what's next?
We flush your brake system.
This isn't commonly referenced in our owner's manual, right?
That's true, but it is essential for preventing moisture. And moisture can accumulate in the hydraulic system, causing internal corrosion and also brake fade.
Well, it just makes sense that our factory-trained certified technicians are the best choice for keeping your Hyundai running safely and smoothly. And Hyundai genuine parts are always the way to go. Genuine parts are specifically designed for your vehicle and manufactured to the highest standards for peak performance and long life. Want to learn more about Hyundai genuine parts and service? Check out the rest of our video series.